Hello, fine friends. Nice to see you here today. So I want to reorganize this cabinet. This cabinet, if you've seen the other video, the pink dishes were over in this one. And without being long-winded, I'm taking everything out, washing it all, getting it disinfected. I'm using Meyer spray. I make no secret, I love this stuff. I have it by big bottles. I get it from Walmart. This I got online on Amazon. I'm putting black, sort of darker teapots and dishes. So, hang on, stay for the ride. Make sure to like and subscribe and come back for more. I'm not sure how well you can see up at the top. I'll screen it in just a little bit. It's a little white teapot, black polka dots, and then the middle one's Mackenzie Childs. And I have to take the bottom stuff out. So the middle and the top have been cleaned. The bottom is used for space at the moment. I'm going to come back when I get some of it done. Working slowly, I'm putting all the Mackenzie Childs pieces. I have 4 cups, a cream and a sugar, and a teapot. And the painted plate is actually just that. It was from AliExpress, which is really the same place that paints for Mackenzie Childs. So they just charge a fortune. Anyway, I actually was thrifted the 4 cups and the kettle. It's a 4 quarts, a large, and the cream and sugar, I spent more money for that than I did for the teapot and 4 cups. And I do use them. I love them. It's sort of the center of my my decor in the dining room. In that, I put black and white all through the house. It's sort of a little theme. It just sometimes is very subtle. And I like subtlety, and then sometimes I like it in your face. Okay, we'll be right back. I'd like to point out that when I say we, I mean me. See you in a minute. Oh, this girl's singing now. Okay, top left, I had a black and white, a white pot with black polka dots. And I thought, you know what? The bottom one that's got black stripes, be so cute with that. So it's behind the black and white stripe, and it looks so adorable. Blue, I wasn't going to use blue, but it has black in it. And, well, because I want to. It's sort of darker. Let me show you the pattern up close. You'll get a good idea. I think you're, yeah. Where are you? There you are. Isn't that glorious? Yeah. So that's the pattern that's up to the left. I like to style in numbers, odd numbers, I mean. So I was thinking about it, and I could bring out a blue pot. I could. But I have 2 more on the table. I'll show you. It's the chintz right here. That would look okay. And then what's the name of the other one? 1950s bouquet. It's yellow. Yellow and black go really, really nice. So I'm thinking maybe this. Yeah, be spring light too. Okay, made up my mind. I was just saying to Paul, now that I put the bouquet on the top right, I'm going to put the chintz on the bottom right. I'll show you. Boy, I really do like that. Let me take you over and show you. So there's the deer on the top, which stay all year round. They're all nice and cleaned out. Now I will have to do, because I did the, there we go. I did the dishes and, wiping stuff as I'm going along. I just like that. I like the purple and the black together and the gold. So cute. I do keep this here because it reminds me of stuff from Murchie's. That's a Royal Albert chintz. That's from Murchie's. And the cups, of course. So anyway, that's the winter cabinet. Oh, I love it. So again, I'll be doing the inside the door, then going to close them, and they'll be all done. So, thanks for watching. Do share with a friend. Make sure to like and subscribe, and come back again for more. See ya.